Alright, we're back. I'm charging the system now. I had to shake the can a little bit to get it to start taking in the refrigerant, but you can kind of see what's happening. So we've got the low side going down. We got the high side is starting to come up. Right now it's probably about at 80 PSI on the high side. The low side is basically going down to 0 because it's pulling, out of this can right here. The can gets extremely cold because the pressure is dropping. We've got our compressor came on with just a little shaking the can a little bit, and it sounds pretty good. They always sound a tiny bit grindy. It's kind of normal. You can tell it's idling it up a little bit. So you want to hear the radiator fan coming on. Okay, when you turn that on, if that does not come on, it's not going to allow the system to work properly. The other thing you want to do is you always want to turn your system to max and to like the highest fan speed. Okay, that is going to be how it wants to take the charge the best. Alright, so highest fan speed, max cooling. Okay, come back here and just kind of check your gauges, check to see what's happening. But I mean, so far so good. It's charging. Now like I said, it is going to take a while because of the Freon. Just the 134A just seems like it takes a really long time to charge. I'm not going to sit here with you guys for 30 minutes while I'm trying to charge this thing. One way you can, if you're careful, speed up the process. You can almost, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's like little wisps of smoke coming off of here because of the coldness. I usually get like a pot of warm water. It doesn't have to be boiling hot, just warm from the sink, and put this in it, and that'll help speed up the process of it charging into the system. It usually makes it take less time, so that's just something I like to do. But I guess that's it for now. We'll go ahead and once we get it fully charged up, I'll bring you guys back and you can see kind of how the pressure is supposed to look. When this is fully charged, this one should be around 40, and this one should be like around 250-ish. That's what I've seen in the past. So, and usually they only take about 2 cans and a little bit. You can see right here, there's a sticker on here that says how much the R12 charge is supposed to be. It says 1,300 plus or minus 50 grams. When you charge 134A, it's actually only supposed to be 80% of that. Okay, this is what I learned a long time ago. So this right now has got 340 grams in it. You would think that would mean that the system would need like almost 4 cans to be fully viable, but what I've seen is usually about 2 cans, and your pressures are where you want them, and you're ready to go. So you can kind of see on the low side, I guess we're still on 0. On the high side, we're almost at 100. So we're making some progress. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when we get this thing closer to being fully charged.